Hi there goodies, it's me Asmita and I make DIY fashion videos, flip and rip transformation as well. I am way too excited and happy to share my first DIY project with you. I really hope that my every project will help you in future, so stay tuned. So you will need approx half meter of cotton fabric or any leftover fabric that you have at your home. Unfold the fabric into half and mark the required measurement, that is length and the width of your size. Here mine is 18 by 11 inches, so cut two rectangles of the same size. Place the fabric right side together and sew it along from one edge to another, leaving a gap at one of the side. Later it will be easier to turn it right side. Make a nice cut to the corner. To release the tension, make sure you are not cutting the stitch one. Turn it to the right side and sew the gap that we had left at the very beginning. After that, mark 1 inch down from the upper bodice and 2 inch up from the lower bodice. Also add half inch to the both mark. Sew it to the marked line. This is how it turns out. To create a strap for the bodice, cut a long piece of fabric that is 1 inch wide. Actually, I didn't have enough fabric, so had to add pieces of fabric to make a long strap. And if you also don't have much fabric, then you can also trace one of the fabric and cut it truly as shown in the video. Join all the straps and make it very long. Fold it into half and stitch all the way, leaving 0.25 gap. Make a small cut to turn out the loop very easily. Also, there are lots of hacks for the sewing project. Comment down below if you are interested in DIY and sewing project for your wardrobe. Take a seam ripper and open the seam just to put the string on the top. Open all the sides of the seam. With the help of safety pin, put the string into a slot case and making a giant U, bring the same string to the another open slot case. After that, put the same first string to the lower slot. And here we are crossing two strings into the bottom slot case. I know this is a bit confusing in the video, sorry for this footage, but I am sure that you will get it very correctly. So this is how it looks like. I hope this will help you out. We are almost done. The final work is to do the ruffles. And here is my final outcome. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to make DIY clothing videos, so stay tuned. Bye bye.